what's up? I've been thinking, and I really value our friendship.
Ah, thanks. I feel the same way about you. You're one of my closest friends.
Yeah, I feel like we can always be ourselves around each other.
Exactly. I love how comfortable we are together.
So, what do you think makes a good friend?
Hum, that's a great question. I think it's someone who's always there for you, no matter what.
Absolutely, and someone who's honest with you, even when it's hard.
Yeah, that's so important. I hate it when people sugarcoat things.
Same here. I'd rather have someone tell me the truth, even if it hurts.
Exactly. So, what's the best part about our friendship, in your opinion?
I think it's how we can always make each other laugh.
Aw, that's so sweet. I love our silly jokes and memes.
Yeah, me too. Okay, so what's something you wish we could do more often?
Hum, that's a great question. I wish we could hang out more often, just the two of us.
Yeah, that sounds amazing. We should plan a movie night or something.
That sounds like so much fun. Let's do it soon.
Definitely. I'll talk to you soon.
Sounds good. Bye.
Hey, can I ask you something?
Sure. What's up?
Do you think we'll still be friends in 10 years?
Absolutely. I think our friendship is strong enough to last a lifetime.
Oh, thanks. That means a lot to me.
Of course, I value our friendship so much.
So, what's the most memorable moment we've shared as friends?
Hum, that's a tough one. I think it was that time we went on a road trip together.
Oh yeah, that was so much fun.
I know, right? We had the best time exploring new places together.
Definitely. I'll never forget that trip.
Me neither. Okay, so what's something you're looking forward to doing with me in the future?
That's a great question. I think I'd love to go on another road trip with you.
That sounds amazing. Let's start planning.
Sounds like a plan. I'll talk to you soon.
Definitely we will talk. Sounds good. Bye.